Buenos dias, soy Ruth. Let's see if I can explain direct object pronouns en español. We start with, what are they? Words like it, him, her and them. En español, it or him could be lo, it or her could be la, and them could be los or las. So we're looking at the gender and the number of the noun that we're replacing. Now, you complete this table of direct object pronouns. ¿Puedes hacerlo? Tus respuestas deben verse así. Perfecto. Then we're going to place the pronoun in front of the verb. Okay? Normalmente. Por ejemplo, I want the cake. En español, quiero el pastel. So the noun we're replacing is el pastel. We're going to say I want it. In inglés, I want it. I want the cake. The noun's in the same place as the pronoun. En español, remember, recuerda, it comes before the verb. Which pronoun do you use? Lo. Before the verb, lo quiero. Bear in mind, that could mean I want him as well. How about one with la? Por ejemplo, I need the jacket. Necesito la chaqueta. I need it. Maybe somebody wants to borrow it and you say, no, lo siento, I need it. So it's la chaqueta, so the pronoun for it will be la. And it comes before the verb en español, so it's la necesito. Es fácil, ¿verdad? You can do this really easily, muy fácilmente. What about los and las? I don't have the blue shoes. The blue shoes are los zapatos azules. And I don't have is no tengo. No tengo los zapatos azules. So we're going to use los for them. And it's going to come before the verb. So I don't have the blue shoes. I don't have them. No los tengo. Last one. She doesn't eat the chips. So ella no come las patatas fritas, ¿verdad? Una oración en español que es muy fácil para ti. Ella no come las patatas fritas. So she doesn't eat them. We're going to use las for them. And we're going to put that las straight before the verb. So we get ella no las come. Let's have some more examples. Those boys, do you know them? So it would be like saying, do you know those boys? ¿Conoces a esos chicos? Esos chicos. Do you know them? You try it. Los conoces. Another one. That dress is pretty. Are you paying for that dress? Ese vestido, remember vestido, it's a masculine noun. Ese vestido es bonito. Are you paying for it? You try. ¿Lo pagas? Simplemente lo pagas. Did you get it? Next one. My pizzas. Why don't you try them? So, why don't you try my pizzas? Mis pizzas. ¿Por qué no pruebas mis pizzas? Okay? So, why don't you try them? Them, las, comes before the verb, doesn't it? And the verb is pruebas. Why don't you try them? Go. ¿Por qué no las pruebas? ¿Por qué no las pruebas? Last one, the door, la puerta. Why do you never shut the door? ¿Por qué nunca cierras la puerta? So if I want to say, why don't you shut it? Why don't you ever shut it? ¿Por qué nunca la cierras? Did you get it? Okay, here are some for you to do. So you could say for a masculine noun, I like the blank, you choose, but I'm not buying it. Now, if it's me, I could say, me gusta el disco, pero no lo compro. Tell me what you chose. Last one, a feminine noun. She's buying the blank because she needs them. What should we say? Apples. You try. Compra las manzanas porque las necesita. Tell me your ejemplos in the comments, and do go to the link below to find all these recursos en línea en mi página web. The link is in the description. Hasta la próxima. Muchas gracias y adiós.